Hello guys, welcome to Learning Online with Prepclass. I am BC and I'm your tutor. Today we are going to be solving Loyola Jesuit College Entrance Examination Quantitative Reasoning for the year 2020 from questions 36 to 40. Please subscribe to our channel, like and make comments on our videos. Thank you. Okay, so let's start. Study the sample below carefully and use it to find the missing numbers in the question that follow. So quantitative reasoning is actually very interesting. I hope you love quantitative reasoning as much as I do. I love it so much because it helps you to think. It helps to think. You have to think deeply about all the questions before solving them. Okay, so quantitative reasoning is very easy. That's what makes it interesting. Once you've been able to think about it and you've gotten your answers, then you can do the remaining questions. That's all. So the essence of quantitative reasoning is to measure your ability to think and your ability to use basic mathematical skills to solve problems. So you think very well. So we have to think about these samples. Once we can get how it is being done, then we move on to the questions. That's all. That's all. So I love quantitative reasoning. Do you love quantitative reasoning? Let's find out if you do. All right, so I want you to pause this video and then try and do this. See if you'll be able to get it on your own, and then you come back and see the solutions. Okay, so let's do this together now. Are you ready? Okay, 3 and 17 are 317 is here. 3 plus 17 is 20. So it's not addition. Subtraction, 17 minus 3 is 14. So it's not. 3 multiplied by 7 would not give us 317. But there's something I noticed. We have 3 here, we have 17 here. If you write 3 and 17 together, we're going to have 317. That's 317. Okay, so is this how we are to do it? Are we to get the bottom number by simply combining the top numbers? Let's find out from the second sample. 15 and 3 are the top numbers here. So let's combine 15 and 3 together. We have 153. Yay! But before we say that is the logic, let's look at the third sample. 4 and 5 are the top numbers. So when we combine 4 and 5 together, what do we have? 45. So this is how to get the samples. So once we've been able to do this, we can go to our questions. So all we have to do is to combine the two top numbers. That's all. 3 and 17 make up 317. 15 and 3 make up 153. 4 and 5 make up 45. Now let's move on to the questions now. Question 36. So we have the two top numbers as 20 and 8. 20 and 8. And we are asked to find the bottom number. How are we going to do this? Remember, from the samples, the bottom number is gotten simply by combining the two top numbers. So the two top numbers here are 20 and 8. When we combine 20 and 8 together, what do we have? 208. That is 208. So this means that the missing bottom number is 208. Easy, right? Let's find out which of the option is correct. Is it A, 212? No. Is it C, 211? No. Is it D, 209? No. So what's the correct option? B, 208. Now let's move on to question 37. So we're giving one of the top numbers as 11, and then the second top number is missing. So, and we are also given the bottom number as 119. So how do we do this? You can pause this video, try it yourself, and then you come back and see if you're right or not. Okay, let's look at this now. 11 and the missing number written together should make up 119. So the bottom number is obtained by the combination of the two top numbers. Remember, we got that from the samples, right? Okay, so 11 and what number would make up 119? In 119, this is 11. So it means that the second number is 9. So 11 and 9 would make up 119. So the missing number here is 9. 11 and 9 combined together would give 119. So the missing number is 9. I hope you're getting it. Okay, so let's look at the correct option. Let's choose the correct option. A is 12, wrong. C is 10, wrong. D is 13, wrong. So which is the correct option? B, 9. The correct option is B, 9. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question 38. So we have a missing top number and a given top number, which is 6. And then the bottom number is 26. So we are asked to find the missing top number. So how do we do this? Remember, in the samples, the bottom number is equal to the combination of the two top numbers. So all you have to do is to combine top number A and top number B, and then you get the bottom number, as simple as A, B, C. Okay, let's do this now. So what number and 6 do we combine together to get 26? So this is the 6 in 26 already. So what are we going to combine? 2 and 6. 2 and 6 combined together would make 26. So the missing top number is 2. Correct. So which of the options is correct? A is 3, B is 5, C is 2, D is 6. The correct option is C because our answer is 2. All right, let's move on to question 39. So we're given one of the top numbers as 15, and then the second top number is missing. So we have to look for that. All right, then the bottom number is 1517. So what do we do? The bottom number, remember, from the sample, the bottom number is obtained by simply combining the two top numbers. All you have to do is to combine the two top numbers. That's all. So 15 and what number combined together would give us 1517. So we've been able to get 15 in 1517. So this means that the second number is 17. When we combine 15 and 17 together, we have 1517. That is 1517. Therefore, the missing number is 17. 15 and 17 combined together would give us 1517. Which of the options is correct? Is it A, B, C, or D? A is 20, so it is wrong. B is 17. That is the answer. That is the answer. So this is very, very easy. Once you've been able to get your samples, then your questions will come easily for you to do. Okay, question 40, which is the last question in this video. So we have a missing top number and we're giving the second top number to be 19. And then the bottom number is 1119. So how are we going to do this? I would like you to do this yourself because it's actually very easy. Do it yourself, challenge yourself, and see if you'll be able to get the answer before coming back to check the solution. I hope you've done that. So now let's solve the question. So we have a missing top number that we are asked to find. Okay, the second top number is 19 and the bottom number is 1119. So how are we going to do this? Remember that from the samples, we know that the bottom number is the combination of the two top numbers. So all we have to do to get the bottom number is to combine the two top numbers. But here we're already given the bottom number. So how do we get it? We know that one number and 19 should give us 1119. So we've gotten the 19 in 1119 from the second top number. So this means that the remaining 11 should be the first top number. So when we combine 11 and 19 together, we have 1119. That is correct. Okay, so this means that the missing top number is 11. 11 and 19 will give 1119. So the missing number is 11. So which of the option is correct? Let's find out. A is 15, B is 11, C is 14, D is 12. So which of the option is correct? Option B, 11. That is the answer. So I hope you'll be able to do these questions on your own now. All you have to do is to combine the two top numbers to get the bottom number. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and comment. You can also subscribe to our channel. Till I come your way next time. Bye.